7 centuries have passed since the Earth plunged into darkness. 7 centuries since the Jetitor swore to regain for man his lost knowledge and freedom. All the immortals took the oath, all except one who dominates the world. But soon an immortal will come to confront him. His name is Quentin MacLeod. He is the Highlander.
Eternal power to Cortan!
Eternal power to Cortan!
I'm listening, Asclepios.
Lord Cortan, we, your faithful servants, the administrators of Maganda, have carried out your orders to the letter. In my opinion...
Get on with it. Give me the results.
Yes, Lord Cortan. We will soon be in a position to recapture the fugitives, and,
When?
Well, we can't exactly. For the moment, we anticipate...
Then continue searching.
And so ends the quest of Quentin MacLeod, he who might have become the Highlander.
But Ramirez, honestly, I tried.
You call that trying? You don't want to learn. I've been telling you for days that it's pointless to try and see in the dark. Instead, you have to feel every breath, smell every different odor, hear the change in the silence. Give me that.
Hey!
You don't deserve to wield the sword of the MacLeods.
You ought to see yourself. Really? How long are you gonna keep this up? As if the heat wave wasn't bad enough. Why doesn't it rain? Okay, I give up. Come on, Gall. At least if you don't speak, that's normal. I'm going for a swim, in case anyone's interested. Come on, Gall. What's the matter, Quentin?
I didn't ask to be a Highlander. He doesn't believe in me anymore. It's not my fault if I can't do what he wants. Honest, Clyde, I tried my best. I did.
I know.
He'll only be happy when I've destroyed Cortan. Or when Cortan's destroyed me.
Don't say that, Quentin.
Is that what will make you happy, Ramirez?
For your sake, I hope you haven't disturbed me for nothing.
Oh, no, Lord Cortan. On the contrary. We found them, oh great lord. With information from the network of spies I personally set up, I was able to arrive at a hypothesis which...
Stop wasting my time. Where is the Highlander?
There, my lord, near the dry sea. Now, I suggest...
Arak, these are your orders. Surround the valley, but leave them one escape route right here. They'll have no choice but to take refuge in the Iron City, where I'll be waiting for the Highlander. This time, he will be able to avoid me.
Well, here's an order that even you can carry out, Arak. There's no battle to win.
You'll pay for that. Enough! In Maganda, I decide who takes revenge and when. Do you understand?
Stop calling me boy, Ramirez. My name is Quentin MacLeod.
The last MacLeod that I met was of a higher caliber. He understood the duties of a Highlander. It was 7 centuries ago, just after the Great Catastrophe, when all the immortals gathered on the Hill of Oaths. Like the rest of us, Connor MacLeod had sworn to lay down his sword and give up the quest to be the last. In taking this vow, we all became Jetadors. All, except one.
I refuse to take this ridiculous pledge. I declare myself the last immortal.
I would rather break my vow than leave mankind in your hands.
And in betraying his word, Connor knew he sacrificed himself.
This time, MacLeod, I really will be the last.
You may have beaten me, but be warned, Cortan.
It may take 10 years, or it may take 10 centuries, but another immortal will come among us, an immortal not bound by our oath.
He will carry the MacLeod sword, and he will be a MacLeod, the Highlander. And on that day, Cortan, you will know your end has come.
No!
Got them. Tell the men to take up positions on the crests and to make sure that they can be seen.
Seen? But, Master,
Just do what you're told!
Quiet! What's that? Hunters! They're surrounding the valley. Come on. We've got to get through before they reach the junction.
Why not that way?
Because that leads to Magonda, dimwit.
At least that way we can get it over and done with.
Do what he says, Quentin, please.
Let them get to the dry sea!
Ramirez, they're coming!
On this terrain, they'll be faster than us. We've got to slow them down. Ride for the Iron City as fast as you can. I'll take care of them.
How?
I'll think of something. But if I don't come back, at least you'll be rid of me.
Quentin!
I'm waiting, McLeod.
Ah! Ramirez!
Come on, Cortan. I've been looking forward to our meeting.
Wipe that smile off your face!
I'm not afraid of you, Cortan. My eyes! No! Where are you, Cortan?
Quentin, stop! You can't see anything!
Come on, Cortan. Let's finish it. Feel every breath, smell every odor. Listen to the silence. Each breath, every odor, each sound. Again, Cortan! Come on, do it again! You wanted me? Well, I'm here!
Cortan? Cortan is here?
McLeod! No!
I'll find you! I'll find you somehow!
Quentin! Quentin!
You won't get away from me, Cortan. You won't get away from me again.
No, don't go! Please don't!
I want him. I can beat him now.
No! You're not ready!
I want to finish with this whole thing right now.
I'd like to be finished with it too. It was the only way, Clyde. Come on, let's go before Cortan finds us. Don't worry, Clyde. As soon as this storm has passed, everything will be back to normal.
I hope so.
Lord Cortan, we have learned that a lone rider has entered the vicinity of Magonda, and I thought, well, perhaps...
I knew the Highlander would come. Huh? He's gone mad. Completely mad. Nothing will stop him until he kills someone. But it won't be me. Malone!
I'm here, Lord Cortan.
everybody. Oh. Quentin! Ramirez! Where are you? Ramirez! Ramirez! Where are you going?
After your crazy brother! He's gone to Magonda! Thank goodness. He's turned away from Magonda. Blast it! Now he's learning too fast. Even blinded, he's found another path.
Hey, was that Lord Cortan? Eternal power to Cortan!
Lord Cortan! Lord Cortan!
This heat will drive us all mad.
He's coming.
The poor mad fool. No!
Let's finish this, Cortan. Get up! Get up and fight as an immortal should! You get up? Without a fight?
Look out!
Ah! But... Malone!
Make your choice, Cortan. A defeat for all three of us. The shame before your own men of having sent Malone to fight in place. Or an agreement that we hold this meeting at a later time.
Wait for me. Don't leave me here, Lord Cortan. Wait for me.
Come on, Gaul. Say it, Quentin. Say it.
You're right, Ramirez. I'm not ready.
No, you're not. But I must say, you do learn fast. For a child.
I am...
Finally, the storm is over. I think.
Yes, it has passed.
Right.
Thank you very much.